Rice, the staple food of so many countries, is constantly controversial. You'll be surprised to know though that rice is actually not that bad a guy. The people to blame here are us because we mindlessly swallow huge portions of it. A lot of myths say otherwise though, so I'm here to help you get your answer. Should you eat it or beat it? So here's the age-old question on everybody's mind. Does rice really make you fat? Well, the answer is rice is not fattening if you eat it in small portions. In fact, it is a good source of vitamins and minerals. However, the unhealthy side of it is its high glycemic index. This is the level of carbohydrates in rice that increases the blood sugar level in the body and therefore not recommended for people with sugar problems. The plus side of it is that if you add lots of fiber to it in the form of vegetables, pulses and spices, it becomes a perfect meal and a powerhouse of healthy and wholesome food which is definitely not fattening. Now that you know the answer to the question, let's take a look at a few myths about rice and debunk them. Gluten means a mixture of two proteins in a grain that gives out that elastic texture of dough which is not present in rice, making it the most non-allergenic of all grains. Let's hit this one again because it's important. As we have stated, rice is quite low in fat. In fact, it contains carbohydrates that are actually good for everyday functioning. This is not true. After carbohydrates, protein is the second most abundant nutrient found in rice. Wrong, because a lot of recent studies have shown that rice protein is actually the most superior. So it's time to rethink that statement. Rice contains a negligible amount of sodium. It is considered a superfood and safe to consume by people who need to watch their salt intake. Now that the age-old myths have been debunked, let's answer very popular and commonly asked rice question. Brown rice is considered a healthier option over white rice, as nutritional labels claim it's extremely high in fiber. But brown rice does not undergo any milling, and it could contain anti-nutrients such as phytic acid and arsenic, a toxic compound. Here's why white rice is much better than brown rice. White rice is milled and the bran is removed, making the rice more digestible and cutting down the grain-based fiber that makes it harmful to your gut. Removing the husk is what makes the rice white instead of brown. So it's white rice for the win, as it's not only loaded with vitamins and minerals, but it is also light on the gut and easy to digest for any and every age group. So there you go. Any food including rice can be fattening when portion sizes aren't controlled. Hope I have cleared all the misconceptions and myths related to this superfood. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.